This Arachnid Cricket Pro 800 is a great gift idea. Now, it is called the Cricket Pro 800, but don't let that fool you. Here's a list of all the different games that it can play. I haven't counted them, but you've got games in here. Of course, you've got cricket. A good chunk of them are cricket games, but you've got your standard dart games, and then you have high-low, you have round the clock, shootout horse, Bermuda Triangle, Shanghai, golf, shove a penny, over-under, big six, all different kind of games. So as you can see, they rank them from difficulty of 1 to 10, and you can play from anywhere from 1 to 8 players. You can play with teams. So if you're looking for a great game for a number of people that's going to challenge skill, and you can bring dart people to this one, or people that are novices. It has darts to start you off, but of course it's your standard electronic dartboard, so anybody who has their own specialized darts are going to be able to use those as well. Really a fun game for a family, for a lot of people, for the game room. Hope this helps.